Hello guys, since some people ask me why I think that the new program Boost 9 is much better, the new extension is much better than the Helium 10, that's why I would like to show for some people why I think that the Boost 9 is better than the Helium 10. So I'm going to go into Helium 10 and I'm going to try to search for a product to launch on Amazon, and then you'll be able to see the differences that we have when using Helium 10 according to Boost 9. We can see the difference where it works better. So here I go into Helium 10 black box where we search the Amazon research niche research. So I'm going to click on this in the black box, and we're going to try to search for a product and see the difference that we have when using it in Helium 10 or when using it on Boost 9. So I'm going to select a category, which was, I think, toys and games. Yeah, toys and games. This is the first selection. Second selection is that I want to have a monthly revenue of at least $5,000. The price, I want to be at least $12. The review count, I want to see people that do from zero, I'm sorry, not this one, I'm sorry, I made a mistake, from 0 to 75 reviews only, not more than that. And review rating I don't really care too much about it. Advanced filters I'll leave for now. And I'm going to enter a keyword tennis racket and see what kind of results it gives me when doing that. So now I'm going to do search, and as you can see, I came up now with 5 products. The first one was a backpack for girls. Backpack is something that normally I wouldn't pursue in because it's very hard to compete with bags, because bags is very easy to do. Then we have an accessory kit compatible with Nintendo Switch, which gives me 35,000 revenue with only 8 reviews. Seems not bad. Then I have this ping pong pedal set, 27 reviews, and it's doing $6,000. And again, we come back to the backpack. So for the first example, I'm going to show the ping pong pedal set. So I'm going to go to Amazon. I'm going to search for ping pong pedal set. As we can see, it comes out as Amazon's autofill. And I'll run Boost 9. Of course, I would very appreciate anyone who will subscribe to my channel, because I'll be showing a lot of different techniques and different text that you can use on Amazon, on PPC or other stuff. I would like for anyone that's willing to subscribe to my channel, and of course down below will be the description and the link where you can buy this tool. So let me see. As for ping pong pedal set, it shows me that only 7 products out of the first 10 are doing over $5,000, but the biggest problem is that 5 of them only have below 75 reviews. The other 2 have more than 75 reviews, so this is not good for me. But I can click on view related markets, which I don't have this option. I do not have on a Helium 10. I do not have it in any other platform and any other extension. And here is the good stuff. Once I click on the view related market, I can see ping pong table is an amazing market, because ping pong paddle is not so good, but ping pong table is an amazing market. Let's see why. Let's click on it. And it gives me the results. We can see 8 out of the top 10 are doing more than $5,000, and 8 of the top 10 are doing having less than 75 reviews. I can go to explore products, and I can see the products, the revenue that they're doing. This guy is actually selling for $200 with 0 reviews and is doing $10,000 a month. This guy is selling for $400, doing $18,000 in revenue with 77 reviews, but this one is selling for only $185 with only 28 reviews and is still achieving $53,000 in revenue. Let's give a click on this product. We can see what we are looking for, and we can see that, oh, this is, yeah, it's table tennis. Yeah, we can see that in order to be able to have a target ROI of 200%, I have to reach a unit cost of $52. So let's click on view on Alibaba, and we get it right away. We can see $120, $80, and we can see if we can find something that can match to this price. We have one here starting with $59, so this could be something. We have one here between 25 to 35, 30 to 369. I guess it depends on which size. 138 to 406. So I wouldn't recommend. I don't think that this would be such a good fit. And even if I take it, especially if I take into account the size. So we will leave this. We will not use the ping pong table, because even though we did find something, but since I have this calculator, I know that I'm not going to pursue into this market. So I'm going to leave aside the ping pong table, and I'm going to go back to Helium 10. I'm going to try to find what else we can find in this page that we found before. So we know that we said ping pong pedal set, we saw that wasn't so good. So we tried table. Just going back a minute to pedal set and see again the results, to remember to see the difference. That over there on Helium 10 we thought it's a good product, but when we come to see it, to check it on Boost 9, we realize it's not a good product, because it has too much revenue, so it's too much competition. Although people are doing more than $5,000, but the competition is too high, so I'm not going to go into this. So I'm going to leave this aside. I'm not going to use it. We still have another one product on Helium 10, which I will show later. Once again, I remind everybody, whoever wants, please subscribe to my channel. Plus, I will be giving away, whoever buys through my affiliate link, I will give away till the end of December special 20 markets that I found that are a good fit to go into Amazon. You'll have a special bonus of 20 products that you can enter Amazon right away. But as we saw, this one, the ping pong pedal set, wasn't a good fit, so we're not going to do that. But I just want to remind everyone that when I started off with tennis racket. So I'm going to try now to use this tennis racket, even though on Helium 10 he didn't show me any results about tennis racket. I'm going to try to do the same with Boost 9. Okay, so if I run Boost 9, and I'm reminding everyone, whoever buys via my affiliate link will receive 20 good markets that he can pursue now in Amazon. So as we can see, only 6 are selling over $5,000, and only 5 are having less than 75 reviews. So at the first glimpse, it doesn't look like a good market. But once again, we have this very powerful view-related market. So I'm going to click that one, and boom, I have a tennis racket for Nintendo Switch, meaning if it works for Nintendo Switch, it's a great market. So I'm going to click on this one, and I can see 7 are doing over $5,000. 8 of them are having less than 75 reviews, which sounds very good. So I'm going to click on Explore Market, and I can see that there's a guy here with only 8 reviews doing over $13,000 of revenue. Here I have someone with 10 reviews doing almost 14,000 in revenue. So I'm going to click on one of these. I'm going to try this one that we know is selling for less, only $60.99, and my target price will have to be $413. So I'm going to click on this, and straight away view in Alibaba. And as you can see, 3.88 to 5.99, 320, 270 to 350, 380 to 4, 286 to 348. So we can see that it runs between $3 to $4.50. So if I go back to Amazon, when my goal was to come to 4.13, seems like it's a very good market that I can actually reach this price, and I can sell for $5,000 revenue. So it should be a good market. Now, as you remember before, we had the same thing about an accessory kit. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to write for Nintendo Switch, and I'm going to search only for Nintendo Switch. see if I can find some more gold mines under this category. Okay, so 9 are doing over 5,000, but only 3 are below 75 reviews. So I'm going to click on view related markets, which I love so much, which this is the most powerful part of this program, of this extension. And I can see that for Nintendo Switch charge stand, we have a great market, 7 out of 7. So we know that this product could be something that we can pursue right away, which is a special charge stand for the Nintendo Switch. Although there are a few that have over 75, but we still have 7 out of 10 with very low reviews, so that means we can definitely pursue into this market. But what I'm going to try to do now is, because before I was looking for the accessory kit, so I'm going to do for Nintendo Switch, and I'm going to write accessories with one space, so I can get the autofill from Amazon, which this is the powerful part. And actually you can see that I even made a mistake by writing the accessories. So it's still showing, I'm sorry, because of my mistake, it's still showing the wrong one. So accessories, and I'm going to do one space so I can get the autofill. Now for Nintendo Switch accessory, let's see the results. If it gives us 7 out of 7, yeah. No, it's still showing this the charge stand. I'm sorry. So I'm going to do explore once again. I'm going to run boost 9 again. I'll just do a refresh because it's showing me the result from before. So I'm going to do a refresh and write again Nintendo Switch accessories and one space so I can get the autofill. So now we're running under Nintendo Switch accessories, and we have 10 are selling over $5,000, but none of them are below 75. So that's going to be a tough one. So I'm going to try to do view related markets, and boom, I have accessories bundle, accessories kit, Pokemon bundle kit. So I know that if I target different keywords, I can definitely make something really nice out of the kit. So let's see, let's click on kit. Here we go. We have 8 out of 8 are doing over 5,000, 7 are having below 75 reviews. And as you can see, these kind of kits could really work very nice to pursue right away to Amazon. Thank you very, very much for watching. Once again, I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. This was Israel Gedder talking about Boost 9, and whoever buys via my affiliate link and contacts me privately on Facebook, I will be giving 20 new markets that you can pursue right away. Special offer till the end of December. Thank you very much and have a nice day.